Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Veti Galata. This is the first series as part of mini tech bite series from our channel. Let's get into the video. So this mainly covers on the Windows 10 updates. So which each and everyone should be knowing it or you will have to know it. The first thing before you learn about updates is something the which version are you running on your PC. So first you will have a doubt how to check the version which my PC is running. It's so simple that you can go to start and open run, and from here just type a command as win and ver, it's when and click on OK. Once you click on OK, you will get a prompt with the version which your machine is running. So in my case, I am running version 1909. Okay, so this is the version which my Windows 10 runs on. So the next thing which I'll show you is how to check updates. It's like click on start, go to settings. Here you will have to navigate to updates and security. Here you can check the various updates which are currently available for your machine. As I can check here, my machine has automatically checked for update and the time is 5:28 p.m. today. It has found some updates available. So this is the information of update which is available for my PC. So some may have doubts like how can I download them or how will I install them. So it's very simple, just click on download here. So once you click download, the updates will get to start download. So once it's ready, it will prompt you whether to restart or if something is required from our end. So the other question is, how will I know what are the updates available for my machine? Just when you click on check for update, it automatically lists out the available updates for your machine. My machine is currently running 1909, so it suggests version 1909 for my machine. If you are a user using 1903 or 1809, it just suggests the updates for your PC. Also, you can see what are the updates you have installed in past by clicking on view update history. So as you can see, Microsoft releases some quality updates and feature updates regularly. So as you can see here, my last successful install of update was on 14th of this month. If you can see, the 14th is Thursday. Usually Microsoft releases its patches on second Tuesday, that is 12th. Microsoft would have launched it on 12th, but I had downloaded it on 14th and installed it on my machine. So if you want to have more information, you can just click here. So once you click, it automatically takes you to the Microsoft page where it gives you more information about the update which you have already installed or which you are about to download. So as I can see, this is an cumulative update for .NET Framework 3.5 and 4.8. So I can see the entire summary of the update which is here. I can directly go ahead and download the standalone package which is also called offline installer just from the Microsoft catalog so that I can copy and install in a machine which doesn't have internet connection to. So these are the various updates which I have installed in past few months. So it lists out the quality updates. It also shows me the driver updates, definition updates, and the other updates too. Okay, so just you may have a doubt whether to check, where to check what are the updates available for my PC without going into settings. Microsoft has its own page where you can go and check what are the updates available. So as you can see here, Windows launches feature updates mainly twice a year, just like it's in March and September through its semi-annual channel. And there'll be also other releases every month which comes as part of quality updates which the which Microsoft will be releasing to the users for a particular lifespan of time. As you can see here, the 1909 was available from 12/11/2019 and the last revision date is 12/5/2020. So it comes to end of service for home professional education and for workstations on 11/5/2021. So till 11/5/2021 I will get updates for 1909 version. If you can see here, the semi-annual channel for 1803 or 1709 has already ended, and other dates also have been mentioned here. If we can further scroll down, we can see the build history. This is what I was talking about, the patches which Microsoft releases every month. So this is the latest KB which Microsoft released as part of May patch updates. So if I can click this KB article, I can get more details about the patches released by Microsoft. It's taking little time to load, so let's wait. If you are a 1903 user, you can just come down and check. And the other older builds are also mentioned as end of service, which is not serviced by Microsoft. So if you are an old user, just try to upgrade yourself to the latest version so you are up to date with the Microsoft patches and updates. So here they have given various highlights. So it's like the latest update which was launched on May 12 2020 has some updates which will improve security to Internet Explorer, and it has other security things. And the main reason for which we go for upgrade is only security. If you want security, you will have to definitely be on the latest version and the latest patch which Windows updates. So these are the various methods how you can install the update also. There is no need of worrying about the workstation user, as you can easily go to settings and click check for updates, and it automatically goes to Microsoft site and fetches you the updates and installs it for you, so that ensuring you are on the latest version. So from here you can see the latest other versions too. I hope you enjoyed today's video, got some ideas and clarities regarding Windows Update. There are more videos coming on Windows Update which will make you clearly understand about the other updates too. Thanks for watching. Click on the subscribe icon in the bottom.